confused. The flipping camera over there was just taking pictures. I don't like it. What's going on, everybody? I'm Danwise, yo, back in a video, and today we're heading to Loughborough. We've got a vegan ride today, so we're just chilling. The boys are gone. I got stuck at red light. It's kind of peak. The football's on. Going to a shop called Dart Shack or something like that. So today we were. Yeah, dog shout. Yeah. Telling me to give dog shout. We're giving dog shout. Yeah. So we're just gonna go look at some darts. But we're vlogging on the bike. So usual stuff. You guys are coming with us. I'm gonna try catch up to the man them. Oh, no red light as well. Stress, fam. Absolute stress. But it's cool though. We'll be able to catch up. Yeah, boys. We're caught up. Oh, you might just stay in first gear now. You know what about this thing is that I can hear you, I can hear some of the words, but man, the time just. Oh my, look to the right. Good lad. Oh, what are you thinking? You should have told me to do that. I don't know, I've got a video now. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I got it. I'm still a video. I got it. We're still recording. We're live and direct. Nah. Yeah! Damn, shorty! Whoa! Bro, he's not gonna do it, bro. Asbo kid. Brother, you're very dangerous. Very dangerous. Whee! Wow, you better go. Wow, very dangerous, brother. You go so low. I am impressed. You are the ultimate moped rider. Whoa, that was very dangerous, brother. Wow, bro, there's no chicken strips left. Behave yourself. Very dangerous. Oh, mate. Whoa. Hey, brother. Very dangerous. She sounds bad though. Woo. Oh wow, brother. I think you are the ultimate stunter, you know, I must say. What? Brother, how'd you do this? What? No way, bro. Too fast. Oh my god. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Brother, we've lost him, brother. Oh no, he's coming. Yeah, it's behind us. Bro's taking this flipping country roads or something, aren't you, our kid? Yeah, it's behind us. I was confused. The flipping camera over there was just taking pictures of us, flashing us away. Very dangerous, boys. Why was it doing that though? What do you mean you don't know? Is this your first time coming here? Car park round the back, mate, yeah? Yeah, these Asbo, silly cunts. Very dangerous. I'm gonna look for this car park anyway. I'll smell you lot in a bit. What's the car park? Fuck. Is this the car park? Oh my god, bro. I ain't parking on the gravel, mate. I'm leaving it here. Yeah, but bro, no, talking in here. I'm brother, no brother. Stay here. Look how fresh my moped is, mate. Flesh, not fresh, it's flesh. Uncle Steve, George, Michael here just practicing darts and everything else. So we're here. Quick vlog for you guys. See if that was me, yeah, 180 whatever it is. Bullseye, boys. Huh? Boys and girls, huh? I bet like a right idiot this though, innit? Right, you ready for this 180, boys, yeah? Well, I'm gonna flop this bad. Yes, I don't know what that is, but tackers, boys, look, tackers. We just got tackers. purely tackers, look. Oh yeah, that one's a bit too hard. After spending 20p on a couple of darts, I can't lie, I never play them. The boys do, I don't. I'm just, you know, one of them, you know, just spectate and just jump on now and then. That's just me, boys. But yeah, I think we're just gonna go. I don't know where we're going, but we're going somewhere. And like I said, I don't know if you like heard me or not, but there's a camera here that kept flashing at me. Yeah, I can't lie. And I was like, no, why is the thing flashing at me? That one just there. But the guy was just saying some security, some sort of devices or something. Hold on, let me see if I can get it. Look, flashing, very dangerous, bro. I don't even know. Look, flashing, man. I don't know, man. I don't like that stuff. I don't like that stuff, man. It gets me paranoid, boys. But anyway, we're rolling. If you're still here, subscribe, check out the channel. Good vibes only with the beers. Yeah, leave him there. Oi, leave him there. You're sick. I'm gonna have a pint with the bikes, boys. Come on, man. What? Have a pint with the bikes. Yeah. Quick food and drink, usual good stuff. We're gonna be continuing heading out, and we're flying, boys. We're flying. We're chilling. We're just chilling. Nice and chill and easy, chill vlog today, boys. Girls, aunties, uncles, Margarets, and all the good people. Yeah, the crossplay just sounds nasty, boys. I need to hurry up and get one. So if you're not subscribed, and subscribe, it costs you nothing to subscribe. If you like motor vlogging, anything with bikes, this is your channel to go to. And good vibes only, bro. It's cooked. But that's very dangerous. Oh, that's crazy, man. Bro's moving mad. But that's very dangerous. Come on, boys, good vibes only. Walking, boys. Walking. But that's very dangerous. Woohoo! Very dangerous, brother. At this point, I don't even know where we are, bro. We're just doing block the tour or something. We're just doing circles. But I have no idea where we are. I don't think anyone does. Oh no, hold on. Oh yeah, I think I know where we are. Bro, very dangerous, man. The hordes come out or something. I think what we got, oh yeah, Notts County's playing, well, was playing. Oh, why, bro, green light, man. They're not just letting everyone through, brother. Flipping neck, man. Green light is stopping for people. Very dangerous, man. Oh, very busy, boys. That's what I'm talking about, right? Just squeeze through, boys. Squeeze through. Boys. Oh my god, there's so many of them. It's crazy, man. sharp, bro. Bare federales there, boys. Alright, man, this is stress, fam. What day, bro? There's some cameraman or something. Oh, this lighting is to hurry up, boys. Bro, why is he just camping there like that? Brother, move out of the way, brother. Oh my god, you always get that one stiff guy, though, innit? Cheers, mate. Cheers, pal. Nice one. Very nice.
What?
Very nice. Yeah. Bare feds doing that, like that. I was like that.
Yeah, just get out for you.
No, go right, go right. Oh, so now you want to do it. Anyway, boys, girls, Margaret's, aunties and all the good people watching my videos, good vibes only. I hope you're enjoying this kind of content. Make sure to check out the channel if you like it, smash the subscribe button, pull on the notification bell so every time I drop a video, I have no idea if you can hear me because this guy's revving his moped. I'm gonna have to just switch it off. Very dangerous. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.